G'day, Mark Pesce here, author of Getting Started with ChatGPT and AI Chatbots. Now, AI chatbots come in many different flavors, but there are a big three. These are the ones that you're normally likely to encounter. And so the big three begin with, of course, the one that we've all heard about. This is OpenAI's ChatGPT. It comes in two versions. It comes in a free version. The free version uses GPT 3.5. This is a version of their language model, which is the thing that powers the chatbot, that was created and released about 18 months ago. There is a paid version, which is ChatGPT Plus, which uses the latest and greatest GPT-4. This is a language model that was released in this year, 2023, and is much more powerful. If you can afford the US $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus, I would strongly advise it because the results you get from that chatbot are noticeably better. Now, that way you're going to access this is basically through a web browser. You go to chat.openai.com and then you can have a conversation with it. There are also apps so that if you have an Android phone or if you have an iPhone, you can get an app and download the app and use it that way. In all of these cases, you will need to have an account on OpenAI. So you just go there, sign up, it's free. All right. Then there's Microsoft Bing Chat. Now, Microsoft Bing Chat is roughly based on GPT 3.5 and GPT-4. In other words, it is built from the same technology as OpenAI's ChatGPT. Microsoft can do this because earlier this year they bought 49% of OpenAI for around $10 billion and got access to the technology. Now, when you bring it up, and it's available inside the Edge browser, it's also going to be available inside Windows Copilot, which will be coming in November. It will offer you three different options. You can be more creative, you can be more balanced, or you can be more precise. And this really determines which of the language models that it's using. So if you say you want it to be more balanced, it's going to use GPT 3.5. That will also be faster. If you want it to be more creative or more precise, it's going to use GPT-4. That will give you a higher quality of answer. It will also take longer to generate that answer. One of the great things that you can do with Bing Chat is you can also generate images with it. It integrates something called DALL-E, which is another OpenAI technology. So you can say, create an image of a clown dancing on a clothesline, and it will go off and create that image for you. Now, again, to use Bing Chat, you use Microsoft Edge. Now, Microsoft is making it available in other browsers like Google Chrome and Firefox and Safari, but right now I believe you have to use Microsoft Edge. There's also a Bing app that you can get for both Android and iOS. It is free to use, although if you have a business enterprise account with Microsoft, they may be charging you a per-seat fee. I don't think any of that's really set in stone yet. And then finally, the last of the big three is Google. So Google originally invented all of this technology back in 2017. The researchers came up with the basic technologies behind AI chatbots. They have now produced something called Google Bard. It uses their own language model, which is called Palm. It's web-based. You can go to bard.google.com. All you need is a Google account. Pretty much everyone has a Google account. It's free of charge. Now, when you are sort of going back and forth between the three of these, what you'll find is that ChatGPT is quite chipper. Bard is kind of bland. Bing is very prolix. It really wants to tell you lots and lots and lots, and it will provide you, in fact, lots of references to show you that what it's telling you is actually the truth. So you can pick and choose which flavor and which chatbot you want to use based on your task. And often, you can ask the same question to all the chatbots to see if you get the same answer and check your results. That and lots more tips are in my book, Getting Started with ChatGPT and AI Chatbots. It will be available in January from BCS Books. If you'd like to pre-order, just scan this code or go to markpesce.com/book. Thank you.